Well, hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm at the Isle of Whithorn. In front of me is the Cairn, which is a small lighthouse. Behind me is the Irish Sea. Now, looking over this way, you've got the Isle of Galloway, where I've been already. Looking south, and then over to the other side there, you've got England and the Lake District. Now there's a memorial to the men who died on the Solway harvester back in the year 2000. Very sad story. I think they all just got caught in a storm. Right, and this is heading back towards the village of the Isle of Whithorn. Lovely view either side. It's that old tumbling down house. Lots of lovely wildflowers. You can see butterflies and you can hear bees. Just in front of us there's a rock pile. It's where people come and place rocks with their inscriptions on. So it's been building for years. I remember it being there maybe about 25-30 years ago, and it was tiny. It was only like a really small pile of rocks when it started. So, and then people have been adding to it over the years. We've got another memorial to those men that died on the Solway harvester. Right, let's have a look at this rock pile. There's a very strong smell of wee for some reason. It wasn't me. So there you are. So people come along and put their inscribed rocks in this pile. Careful, because there's, I'm in shorts and there's nettles everywhere. See, look, so quite a few. What's this one? There you go. That's a pretty one, look. So some people really do make an effort with their stones before placing them here. I'm going to have a quick look in this falling down house, or what's left of it anyway. Quite a rocky little beach there, look. Oh, it's not a falling down house, it's a falling down church. St Ninian's Chapel. Well, there you go, there's an information thing. Pause it if you want to have a read. Lots of flowers out, look. Oh, somebody's left a little stone in that nook there. Anna written on it. Right, back on the path towards Whithorn. A couple of nice benches to while away the hours, I suppose. Another rocky beach. Still a strong smell of wee. And it's not me, I promise. Right, I think we're coming up to a children's play area. There are children playing, so I'll not point the camera at them. And camper vans, look. I think it's free parking as well. No children on these bits. Right, let's carry on. I've already been going about 10 minutes and I'm already parched. Possibly time for a hydration break. You can see there's a little boat tied up there. People launching a kayak. More camper vans. It always seems that no matter where I go, there's a sodding jackhammer somewhere. And here I am, and over there's the jackhammer. And there's a few boats in the harbour. I wonder if the tide's coming in or going out. Let's carry on this way for a bit. There's a shop. See, it says shop. And there's a pub. Is it open? Steam packet in 5 Kingdoms ales. It doesn't look very open at the moment. Let's see what the opening hours are. Oh, 4 till 10 PM, so no hydration stop for now then. This greenhouse, this is nice, isn't it? Here's an important message. Keep our coast clean. Look at that, it's all plastic that they've pulled out the ocean, look. Pause it if you want to read that. There we are, look. Church from 1844. There's an exhibition open daily within the church building. I might have a look on the way back. There's the beach. And plenty more nice looking houses. It's a very pebbly look. Lots of rocks. Plenty of birds out on the sea there. Oh yeah, community tea rooms. Oh, there's a bus stop. There's a toilet. Oh, seems to have all the facilities and amenities that you might need. Not all the facilities and amenities you might want. But if you want fun and excitement, you wouldn't come here really, would you? There's a stream here, or I think they call it a burn in Scotland, don't they? I'm heading down to the sea. What's it like on that side? Well, apart from a bit of green weed, I don't see anything alive in there. It looks clear enough. Back towards civilization. Let's take a quick walk this way. There we go. Leaks free to a good home. Isn't that nice? This just looks like on the way to people's houses, so I'll head back down to that church and see if that exhibition's open. Right, there's an exhibition on. Me and my phone. All diving boots, look. Lots of information boards. Defending the village, trading, shipbuilding. This is all about the mariners. A few shipwrecks around here. Picture of a boat in the harbour. Models of boats. Lots of reading materials. Nice bit, look. And there's the church itself. Oh dear, look, a picture of a shipwreck there. It's a nice little church, I suppose. Well, disappointingly, the cafe was shut. St Ninian's cave is also shut. So, I'm going to see if I can find me a McDonald's or something. Well, if you have been watching, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on something down here to watch something else. And I will see you on the next one. So just a little addendum to that video I did about the Isle of Whithorn. Behind me in Port William is a lovely cafe called The View. It's part of the independent lifeboat station here in the Port William, so good food, nice people, well worth a visit. and I'm happy I now got a full belly. Right, thank you.